First, we prepared the ingredients. Remove pork belly skin. Boil up water. Put pork belly into the pot. Pork belly cook around 15 minutes. Remove it from boiling water. Cut pork belly into thin slices. Remove carrot skin. Carrot cut into shreds. Cucumber cut into smaller pieces. Alaska crab stick cut into half. Coriander cut into smaller pieces. After the water boils, add in rice noodles. Once cooked, remove and set aside. Use cold water to cool down quickly. Add in Alaska crabstick into boiling water. Cook for 5 seconds. Prepared 1 plate water. Add in a little bit oil. Put the rice paper in water for a little while. It's softened when soaked in water. Place lettuce, rice noodles, carrots, cucumber, coriander in the lower positions. Leave some space left and right. Add to pieces pork belly. Add in crab stick. Fold the left and right sides together and set the width. Roll them up. This way you can see pork belly, crab stick, lettuce. Isn't it beautiful? When you eat it, dip it in Vietnamese spring roll sauce. You can find Vietnamese spring roll sauce recipes in the descriptions link.